Most people get this wrong. They think all internet providers are the same. But the surprising truth is that Rise Broadband specializes in rural and suburban areas, offering fixed wireless internet where traditional fiber or cable might not reach. Today, I'll share my honest review. Rise Broadband provides internet through fixed wireless towers, giving speeds up to 50 Mbps in many locations. You won't believe what happens. Next installation is often faster than cable or fiber because it doesn't require digging or new lines. You just need a line-of-sight connection to the nearest tower. The service includes unlimited data on most plans, which is a big plus for streaming, online work, and gaming. Customer support is available via phone and online chat, and technicians can help with installation or troubleshooting remotely. However, there are limitations. Because it's wireless, speed and reliability can vary with weather conditions or distance from the tower. In some areas, peak times speeds may be slower, and advanced features like static IPs or business-level support can be limited. Pricing is competitive, but higher speed plans are sometimes more expensive than traditional cable in urban areas. The surprising truth is that Rise Broadband fills a crucial gap for users in underserved areas. For rural families, remote workers, or students, it's often the best available option for reliable internet without traditional infrastructure. In conclusion, Rise Broadband is a solid choice for people who need internet in rural or suburban areas, offering reasonable speeds, unlimited data, and convenient installation. If standard providers aren't available in your area, Rise Broadband is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest ISP reviews to help you choose the right internet provider.